Pardon? Yeah. Thanks.
Oh, sugar shack.
Nothing.
I want to make cookies. I make tea. Damn it. I knew that was coming.
Mm-hmm.
We have no way to use sinks or anything.
What?
We have no way to use sinks or anything.
How's this?
Huh?
We got this. We're good.
We have no water.
Not yet. Relax. We'll get this
Mom says, can we drive home?
No. What's up? This was the whole plan, guys. And my phone's charged. I've downloaded movies I like. I downloaded romantic comedy movies.
Well, we can't watch them.
Generator. Big screen.
How do you run it? Where's your phone?
That door.
Feeling better?
That's awesome.
Why did it come back on for a second and then go off again?
Well, I checked with Hydro and you make a drink, did you say? You know what time it is?
This is for my patient list,
So you make a mess of it.
We're making brown sugar, guys. We're doing just call me Megan.
Yeah.
Be the same last name as your children. Be good that way. That's a lot of sugar.
I was gonna get it as a snack out of the convenience store or a treat later on. But I couldn't buy anything.
Why not?
No power.
Oh my gosh, Devin's here.
I was gonna say, how rude of you not even say hi.
Oh, hi, Devin.
But you know what I'm saying? I think it would be more than $5. I didn't grab a big enough hunk of dough.
It feels cold here now. Does anybody else feel overwhelmed with chaos?
Just a
It looked like you were pretty tore up today. What chaos?
It's just my OCD kicking in, I think.
We got a slush pail ready to roll for your big dumper after your pizza. You filming? I meant, you know, to dump it into the toilet. I try real hard.
The light close to that. He's hanging on the bottom side of the metal. How is it, Devin? Good?
Better than my pizza last night.
Where'd your pizza last night? Admonton, Perry's property, and we sat on the roof and got sunburned. It was an anomaly that it was that nice.
I thought it would be romantic to climb to the roof of a shed, sit on the black roof.
And we played badminton.
Sun. Yeah. No.
Guess what?
What?
4x4.
Woohoo.
Engaged.
I like them.
Nice.
Give me your egg.
What are you making?
You got to, I gotta open up the garage door.
Mom, do not go. You're going to fall. Yeah, just stay there. We're coming. Your car's fine. We're not.
No power, as you could probably guess. I know. Yeah.
So what do, not that question, I'm interested. What are we doing here? Ground of it.
Scared Devin.
Why? You're not allowed to talk to electrical in the panel.
Okay, is that a real story?
Leaving the ice storm behind.
We're getting out of here as fast as we can before the hydro lines come down. We can't get out. Not kidding.
So take your time going home there, Speedy.
Yep.
Selena Gomez's new album, eh?
Huh?
This is Selena Gomez's new album.
Oh, is it? See the tree hanging in front of the bucket? It's pretty
Oh, yeah.
Sit under this tree.
Oh, that one hit his car.
Huh?
That one hit his car.
Damage to the car?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. See, that's why he brought his chainsaw.
Yeah.
How did Devin get
Or is
through
it flooded?
So we'll go this way.
Yeah.
Try to.
Let's go.
Of course. Usually we'd be like, oh, we're stuck. But no power or anything? No thanks.